Little more explanation about partnerships. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maral Advocate. Let's imagine that we are in my law office and I'll explain you little more information about partnerships. My name is Maral and I draw up a lot of partnership agreements for new businesses. It's not compulsory to have a partnership agreement, but I always advise my clients to have one. I meet my clients and ask them lots of questions about the partnership. First, I need information about the partners and what name the partnership will trade under. That means the name that the partnership will use for its business. I also need details of the capital of the partnership. The capital is all the money, property, and assets that the partnership has. Each partner has to decide how much money he or she is going to contribute to the partnership. Contribute means the same as invest. Then I ask my clients about the profits of the partnership. Often the partners share the profits of the partnership equally, but sometimes partners get different shares of the profits depending on how much of the capital they contributed or how much work they do in the partnership. If the partnership makes a loss, which is the opposite of a profit, the losses are usually divided in the same proportion as the profits. Also, I need to know what amount of drawings each partner can have. Drawings is an advance payment of a partner's share of the profits. Each partner usually takes, or to use the correct term, draws this money out of the partnership bank account for his or her own use each month, rather than having to wait until the end of the year before receiving a share of the profits. I have to know about the duties of each partner and any special responsibilities they have. I also ask about the management of the businesses, which is the way the partnership is run on a day-to-day basis. Partners must decide who has the authority to sign checks for the partnership, pay bills, buy things for the partnership. My clients and I also talk about what will happen when partners leave the partnership, either because they retire or resign. In general, retirement is when a partner leaves the partnership because he or she reaches a certain age, for example, 65 years old. Resignation is when a partner decides to leave for some other reason. The partners must decide on the notice period for resignation. In other words, how many weeks or months warning a partner has to give to the other partners before he or she actually leaves the partnership. I know it's horrible to think about things going wrong, but partners have to think about the reasons to expel a partner. To expel someone means to force that person to leave the partnership because he or she has done something really bad. Last, it's sensible to state the circumstances in which the partnership can be dissolved. Or in other words, the partnership can end. Having a partnership agreement helps the partners to think carefully about the partnership from the beginning. I share a lot of legal words in this podcast. I hope it's useful for you. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next podcast.